Hi, everyone. Now that you have played through the quest for Queen Winifred, it's time to take a moment to analyze the choices that you made in the text and how those choices then impacted the development of the story. Another way to think about this sort of graphic representation is to think of it as a flow chart. You maybe can drawing connections between this and other areas of learning, such as science or STEM, if you were in areas like that. I know my husband uses these a lot in aerospace engineering. He's shown me some of the really complex diagrams that track changes in development in the construction and development and design of like the blocker doors and different things that he works on. So this is kind of a cool way to apply that sort of like techie thing to our understanding of plot development. And it's a lot of fun to kind of see the choices that you did make and how they ultimately might have been impacted. So the goal right now is for you to have opened this document in Cami, which you should have done already after my instructions. And then really the primary purpose of this document is to just track the development of the choices that your team made. It really is as simple as tracing your path. And this is particularly important because after you've gotten a visual representation of your path and the alternatives that you could have encountered, you will then move into a section where, as a group, you're kind of analyzing the choices that you make and how the outcomes might have been different. So, this is very simple. You're going to come over here to all the different tools that you have. You're going to click drawing. And then, of course, you can always choose whichever color you like. I think pink will work really well in this case because it's very different from the rest of what we did. And so I'm just going to start here. The sword is stolen. My team chose to go to the enchanted forest. And then from the enchanted forest, we encounter the wolf. And we decided not to help the wolf, which cost us one of our abilities, which really stunk. And then we moved on to the goblin. Um, Learning our lesson from the wolf, we decided to sit and have tea with the goblin. And then after the goblin, we had to face Uller the dragon. And we chose to try to persuade Uller the dragon, but we were unsuccessful in persuading him. However, when we had to fight, we did actually win in the fight. So you can see it's really that simple. It's just taking a quick moment to track the chart or the development of the story that you experienced so that you can use this in comparison with the organizer that you're going to do next.